Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Mistfall Hunter audio not working. So here's what you gotta do. Go to search, type in control panel. And here you want to switch the view from, if it's on category, you want to switch it to large icons. Here find sound, double click on it. Once it opens, you want to here find which is your default playback device. If you use headphones or speakers, for me I use headphones now. You'll see the check mark next to it and you want to make sure that it's set to default. If it's not, you simply click on it and then click set default. Now you want to double click on it, go to levels and make sure that this is not set to 0. Also that this is not red like this, which means it's muted. Now go to advanced. Here you want to switch to either 44,000 Hertz or 48,000 Hertz. So you could do either channel 2 or channel 8. Also in here, you want to, if this is ticked, you want to untick it both and then try the game and see if it works better. Now, if it doesn't, you can tick this back on and then click apply. Also, you can test to see if your headphones are working. And go to spatial audio and make sure that this is off. After you've done all of that, go to search, type in run. In run, you want to type in Mistfall 32. Once you are in here, you want to scroll till you find baseboard product. You want to copy this and go to Chrome and then type in this. So B450, gain it for me. And you want to click the first link, whatever it says for you. For me, it's MSI. I don't know which brand of motherboard you have. So you go to support page. Now go to driver, now go to onboard audio driver and then click download. And this will be the latest and greatest audio driver for your PC. So you simply download it and then open it, double click on it. And now here, go to Realtek audio driver, scroll down till you find setup and double click and then simply install it. And after you install it, restart your PC and that should fix your issue hopefully. If that doesn't do it, you can also open your NVIDIA or AMD app, go to drivers and download the latest and greatest driver. While that it's downloading, you want to go to system, disable the G-Sync if you have it on, and go to settings and disable the NVIDIA overlay if you have it on. And after you've done all of that and downloaded the driver, you want to restart your PC, and then after restart your PC, your game should work properly and you have sound in the game. Also, you want to make sure that here is not set to 0. If it's like this with the X, that means it's muted. You have to unmute it and then it should work properly. Anyways, that's it for this video. That's how you fix Mistfall Hunter audio not working. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.